Hi, my name is Nguyen. My 52 project was on the M4A1 Guardian from the game Counter-Strike Global Offensive. Since this gun in game is modeled after real-life rifle, I got basic dimensions of a lower part of the rifle and I built off a single extruded base from the start. Using multiple extruded cut space and fillets, I worked towards finishing the part. After I finished building the lower part, I scaled all my other parts with respect to the lower part and I built it exactly in the same way. I also had multiple assemblies, which I then put together to make the whole part. For the more complicated stuff, I used things like chamfer, fillet, pattern tool, helix, and spiral. For my main assembly, I used a lot of co-eccentric distance and co-eccentric mates. The trigger is free to move up and down. The opening for the bullet shells is free to move up and down. You can also take out and put in the magazines for fresh ones. You can also put in and take out the silencer. You can also adjust the semi and auto setting. I last had to find some decals from the game as well as use a blue aluminum texture to make it a close match. I also had trouble finding the right decals, so I had to Photoshop some of the pictures to make it fit. I also had trouble rebuilding some of my parts as SolidWorks would not comply, so I had to remake some of my parts from scratch. For my simulation, I used the barrel of the gun with the bullet exit to see the amount of displacement and stress caused by the pressure of the bullet exiting. As you can see, it's not a problem. It was already tough and tedious to build some of my other parts as I had to constantly cross-reference dimensions or else it would not fit when it came time for the assembly. This project has a total of at least over 30 parts. Here's what the rifle would look like in third and first person if it was in the game. Thank you for watching my project.